Our first presentation today is from Robin van Emden. Robin is a Senior Director of Data Science at Network Optix. He's very passionate about enabling edge devices, especially to work on as many different types of hardware as possible. A very passionate speaker this morning. He's going to talk to us about OAAX and how it can be used to simplify your deployment, make it very easy to deploy on as many devices as possible. Please help me welcome Robin van Emden.
Thank you. Thank you. So, well, first of all, a very good morning. Like I was just introduced, my name is Robin van Emden. I'm the Senior Director of Data Science at Network Optix. Network Optix is a software company that is specialized in advanced video management systems with tightly controlled AI capabilities. So, why OAAX, or what is OAAX, maybe would be the first question. So, over the past few years, actually, deploying AI models across various hardware problems has been one of the most difficult things out there for an AI developer in the field. Training has become fairly standard and has lots of easy tools to make it very easy to train your model. But to deploy models to edge devices is actually quite difficult, has remained quite difficult, particularly if you want to deploy to different types of acceleration devices, different MPUs. So the OpenAI Accelerator Exchange, as you see here, is an open standard that aims to change that, to make it easier for everybody to easily implement NPUs, to easily deploy to NPUs. And we define a clean, consistent way to go from trained models to executable binaries across CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs. We often call them XPUs. We hope that OAAX will help teams deploy faster, will have less duplication of code and fewer surprises. Okay, that's the background. Now, to give you a bit more context of what I want to actually go over today, a quick overview of what I'd like to say. We'll start with a definition of what the problem that led us to OAAX. And then we will try to walk you through the solution that it can offer. We'll explore the impact OAAX can actually have on both users and chip makers. And I want to introduce the growing ecosystem that surrounds it. After that, I intend to look at how OAAX works in practice, including the toolchain and the runtime interfaces. These are the two parts that make up OAAX, but you'll see that soon enough. And then finally, we'll touch upon the roadmap for OAAX. And really importantly, I want to actually wrap up with a call to action. So OAAX is now actually a Linux Foundation project. It's in incubation phase, still very small, but we can use as many of you as there are around to help us in many ways.